Southtec it's a regional show for precision machine tool industry, and basically precision manufacturing. Everything from turning of big parts for like the railroad and oil and gas industry and all that, all the way down to small medical parts. So it's neat to go to these regional shows. Not only do you get to see the equipment, you get to see lots of varieties of equipment. Usually at the shows there will be the technical experts available for you to talk to. Manufacturers reps will all be there. So you have a chance to see a lot of different new things in a short amount of time. Plus they're kind of fun, good to build relationships. It's good to get connections with people, share expertise, and find out what's out there, what exists. We've had a lot of change in the market lately with tariffs affecting a lot of our precision machine tools. Many of those come from overseas. So there's a lot of substantive discussions about potential price increases coming and things like that. So it's good to go to these shows, stay up to speed, just get exposed to a lot of different new things, and having the technical experts there along with the equipment that they're displaying. It's a very concentrated event in a kind of a fun format. You can sort of take it or leave it, come and go and walk through and go have lunch, whatever. It's a nice, pleasant way to learn a lot in a short amount of time.